Hey, what's up guys? Snow here, and today we're going to be cleaning my bathroom with my Hoover FloorMate Deluxe hard floor cleaner. It washes and dries. Not vacuums, washes and dries like the original FloorMate is. So we're going to be cleaning up this setting compound mess that I got because my dad and I were applying setting compound in the new workshop today. And so I think it would be best to start over here. Ow. And I would still like the original. And one of these days, I would love to have the original FloorMate, like the one that has the folding down handle, instead of it's saying wash and dry, it says vacuum wash and dry, or dry vac wash and wet pickup. So my mom bought one of those, the original one, the one that had the folding handle. She bought one new in 2005 and she did not like it. So, but I do not even remember of it. I just remember the Hoover caddy vac that they had. So, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on wash. There, you can see the brush roll, lifting, wash, dry, wash. All right, so but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So it's gonna be loud, so please turn down your volume. There we go. Oh, just note, I'm using Bissell Crosswave Bissell multi-surface solution for the crosswave that I have. And I know I really shouldn't, because you should only use Hoover multi-surface chemicals with this cleaner, but it doesn't really matter, to be honest. So anyways, let's get going. So here we go. Let it scrub back. Alright, here we go. You want to clean these? Over. Here we go. Set on clean dude. Oh yeah, it's doing great. Here, there we go. Hopefully this is my left hand because I'm not left hand. I'm right-handed. Alright, that does it for this video. See how much we got so far. Oh yeah, that's nasty. Alright, so anyways, that does it for this video. Just comment, subscribe for more.